Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I will show you how to crochet this pattern for baby blanket. It's really pretty. You can make many things with this pattern. It's so pretty and so easy. So simple pattern and it's pretty good. I hope you will love this pattern. So I will show you step by step. Yes, I'm gonna make small model like this. So I hope you like it. So let's start. This is so easy, simple for beginner. This pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pattern multiple 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yarn over 1, 2, 3 in the fourth. Make half. So you can make double if you want. So this row I'm gonna make half double crochet, so I will show you at the end. So I'm gonna continue like this. Okay viewers, I am at the end of this row. So I have chain 1, gonna make 1, 2, 3. With fourth, make front post. Again 1, 2, 3. With fourth, make one, 2, 3. With fourth, make front. Fifth one as well, front, 2 front, 3 single crochet. With fourth, make front post. I'm gonna make this row with single crochet each stitch. I'm gonna continue like this. So I would like to make one row with single crochet just if you want to make quick, you can make. If you want make more quick, then you can make double crochet. Otherwise 2, 3, and these two front post. Okay, don't make this behind these two. Then make 3 single crochet, 2, then 3, then make front post. And again 3 single, single, 3 single. This pattern is so easy and pretty. Even learner or beginner can make this pattern. 3, then front post. Three at the end. Again single crochet row, so I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Again I am at the end. This is the back side, so I'm gonna make chain 1 again, so you can see. So always like this, 1 row with single crochet, then 3 single crochet, 2 front post, nothing different. Okay, this row I'm gonna show you. This is my last row which I'm gonna show you, then I'll show you at the end. This is no pattern, not hard, it's so easy. Anybody can make this. One, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, so I'm gonna make single crochet row now, then again make like this. Okay, I'll show you at the end.